Placeit tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video I'm going to show you how you can use Placeit. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to start creating an account on Placeit, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Placeit, it is an online design tool that enables users to create a wide variety of visual content, including logos, mockups, videos, and social media graphics. With an extensive library of over 140,000 templates, Placeit caters to both individuals and businesses, allowing them to generate professional designs quickly and easily without requiring advanced design skills. And the platform is user-friendly, featuring a drag-and-drop interface that simplifies the process of uploading images and customizing templates. And users can choose from a diverse range of categories including mockups sorted by demographics and settings, and create designs tailored for various social media platforms. And now to start creating an account on Placeit, you could also use my affiliate link, and upon clicking on it or signing up, you'll be able to be directed on this page in which it will show you that you can start signing up using your Google, Facebook, or even your Apple ID. Then from here, after signing in, you will be directed on this dashboard of placeit.net. And on the top right corner, it will show you that you can start navigating your account, your downloads, your favorites, my folders, edited, and many more. And on the top panel, from here, you will be able to see some of the options that you can start navigating, including the mockups, design, logos, videos, gaming, and many more. And below each category, it will show you the subcategory of those kind of design and also layout. And if you scroll down below here, it will show you a variety of templates that you can use. However, some of those templates are not offered for free, but rather you need to have an upgrade account in order to use some of those templates. So from here, to start navigating some of the free templates, you can also click on the search bar by simply clicking on it and enter free mockups, for example, since that is just what we're looking for. And I'm going to choose this t-shirt. And below here, it will show you the result of those free mockups t-shirt. And as you can see, it says here, or it has a label of free on each kind of design in here. And you could also filter the result on the left side panel. Some of this template we have here: App Store screenshot, art print, banner, vertical, Pella canvas, link store, book, box, and many more. And by clicking to any of these results, for example this one, from here it will show us the similar template. But to start creating or editing this one, just click this edit button on the top panel. And upon clicking on it, we will be able to be directed on this design or editing menu page. Wherein on the left side panel, you could also start navigating or customizing this one by uploading the picture. For example, this is the picture that I choose to upload. And as you can see, it will show us what it looks like upon wearing with the design that we just uploaded in here. Or if you want to re-upload some other design, you could click this design, and you could also click upload from your device or import from downloads. And by clicking this recently uploaded, it will show you in here all of your recently uploaded picture on this platform. Or alternatively, you could also go back on this page and choose to upload from your device and choose the kind of design that you want to be uploaded in here. And upon choosing the kind of design that you want to upload, you'll be able to see here that you can also start cropping the image. And it will show you on this live preview what it looks like upon cropping the image on a shirt. And if you're not done, just click this crop button to proceed. And as you can see, you have now successfully uploaded the image in here. Well, on the right side panel, it will also show you that it is currently loading, in which the design will also reflect upon waiting for the result of the design in here. Moving on the top panel, we could also put this into our favorite or even save this by clicking save to, and it will show you in here all of the folder, and all you need to do is simply select the folder or create new one. Then click the save button to proceed. And as you can see, we have now successfully added this to our t-shirt kind of template. And from here, we could also share this by clicking the send to button, in which we can share this to our Instagram, Facebook, or even share via link by copying the link in here. And if you scroll down below, it will show us our design or some of the similar template with our design templates on it. And now if you are now satisfied with the result, you could also click this free download to proceed. Or alternatively, you could also change the sweatshirt color by clicking this one and choose the right color that you prefer in here. You can use different kind of colors depending on this color palette that you selected. And after that, you can now proceed by downloading this kind of template that you just customize. Moving on under all categories, from here we could also navigate to change or create the logos, design. Under design, we have here highlights, apparel and print, gaming, music and podcast, social media, and many more. So basically, Placeit is vital tools for individuals and businesses looking to enhance their branding and marketing efforts through a high-quality visual content. For instance, I'm going to choose these posters. By clicking on it, we will be able to be directed on this page, in which it will show us a variety of poster template that we can choose. And we could also use some other filters on the left side panel, including the tags, the templates, which is art print maker, cost t-shirts, feminist t-shirt, online flyer maker, party t-shirts, poster maker, and many more. Or even short this one to newest, popular, or even best-selling kind of templates. So as you can see, Placeit offers a vast library of over 140,000 templates, including mockups, logos, videos, and social media graphics, making it accessible for users with varying levels of design experience. And it is also a user-friendly interface, allows for quick customization, enabling those without technical skills to create professional-looking designs efficiently. So for instance, as you can see, it is currently loading, but we could also simply choose any kind of template of these posters. For instance, this one I'm going to choose. By simply clicking on it, it will show us on this pop-up window that to start editing this kind of template, just click this edit button in here. And upon clicking on it, we will be able to be directed on this page. And as you can see at this point, we have here different kind of menu editing. But similar, we could also navigate or customize this one using on the left side panel, or save this kind of project into our favorite, save to, and even download or share this kind of project in different platforms. And now on the left side panel, we can start navigating or customize some of this content, including this text, such as by clicking on it, instead of grab food or good mood, I'm going to choose this one, or customize this text into great food. And aside from that, from here you could also change the color of this text using some of these color palettes. I'm going to choose this green one, but you could also choose the default one or the custom one if you want to. Now by closing this one, we could also change the font, and at this point I'm going to use this Capra Simo, and you will be able to see here the result in the change of the font style. And after that, from here we could also navigate some other tools, including to customize or edit or replace this one or this element by clicking this edit button right here. You'll be able to see some other graphics of cute food that we can replace this. Let's say I'm going to choose this one. Upon clicking on it, it will show you that the food or the graphics of elements has now been changed. And we can also customize the size of it and every element at this point. We could also change the location of it depending on our preferences. And below here, we could also change the background color on this color palette depending on our chosen color. And if you're now done, we can now proceed by clicking the save button, or you could also add text or add graphic if you want to. And at this point, let's say we're going to add this to our save to by clicking the save to and create new folder. And for the folder name, I'm going to enter here poster and click create folder button. Now going back in here, as you can see, there's a lot of kind of graphic design that you could also navigate here, including videos, gaming, logos, and any kind of design that you can start customizing on Placeit.net. But overall, that is just basically how you can use Placeit. Thank you.